So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to add a street on Google Maps. So first, you need to access your Google Maps via web browser. In this case, I'm using a Google Chrome. So after that, kindly search for the google.com/maps. After that, you will see this navigation bar. You just have to click on the three lines. And once you click on that, just select the edit the map. And once you click on that, you will see under the send product feedback is this options. You just have to click on the add or fix a road. Once you click on that, it will redirect you to this page and it will give you an access to edit or put a street on there. So for example, in this street, we are going to modify it. Just click on this one and you will see fix a road right here. And if you want to change its name, just click on the road name and you will be able to change its street or name. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.